Hey, David and Chad, and we are doing a quick video on watercolor wallpaper. Customer here in Wayne, Illinois, we've actually done a couple installs for her, and she picks some really kind of cool paper all the time. So this one is a peel and stick, which we are not normally huge fans of peel and stick, but this brand actually has been really nice, and that's the brand name. Has a nice diagram of what's going where. Tells us what it is. You have a QR code, you can look it up, look at some other designs. For this one, did a video already because the room is paneling, and so Chad came last week and he installed lining paper on that wall while these guys were painting. And so this peel and stick is going over the lining paper, which is going over paneling that looks like that. So the lining paper got rid of the grooves. Chad's on his last piece hanging here, so it's got a 1/2 inch overlap. So we're just, the last piece we're just doing so you can kind of see how it goes up. 1/2 inch overlap. The laser is giving us our 1/2 inch. Again, going over lining paper. I can't remember the brand name itself, but we've been finding, I'll put a link in the description on it. Works really, really well. We actually got it from Amazon because it's readily available. Lining paper is kind of harder and harder to find here locally. We're in the Chicagoland area, but no one really keeps it in stock anymore. So for us, it's been harder to get, so we just been buying it online, which has been a lot easier for us because we just get it as we need it anymore anyway. So Chad actually has been putting, like I said, this over the lining paper. It's been repositioning really, really well. Hasn't stuck like a paper bag or anything, so it releases relatively easy. So once he does his smoothing like he's doing now, he's still been able to reposition it when he needs to. And then I think he's got like 1 inch on the end he'll have to put up there maybe. Repositionable, easy. I'm trying to think what else on this stuff. All right, what are things you can think of on this paper, Chad?
Just nice quality. The graphics look good. They're not blurry.
Oh yeah, good lining up. You said the pattern lined up really well all the way down.
Yeah,
Didn't stretch.
Pattern, when you do peel and stick, the stretch will be off, or the pattern is not printed 100%, so you get a little bit of a double, like shadow almost. So the basically where you're trying to line it up down one of these, if you're trying to follow a pattern, it'll be just slightly off, or you'll be able to get it perfect for a quarter of the paper, and then even though it's straight and you put a laser on it, the pattern starts to fall off. It's just a printing issue, basically, at that point. But this paper is really nice. It doesn't have that issue at all.
Yeah. The other color fastness. We say color fastness. So when you're grabbing the paper itself, sometimes with your hands, but with the smoothies, when you're rubbing this stuff on there, the ink will come off on your hands. And this stuff, the ink hasn't come off. So it's another good thing. And it doesn't smell. Which some of the stuff, well, you put this, some of the peel and sticks, even non-peel and sticks, some of these wall covering inks, holy cow, they're so strong. If you don't have full-on air units, fans blowing in, they'll pass out. They smell so bad. So low odor, the ink didn't smear, the pattern lined up really well, easy to reposition. You can hear it coming, kind of moving up and down as he's moving it down the wall. So it's been easy to reposition. With some of them, once you stick it, you're done. So that's been really nice too. So overall, like I said, we're not huge peel and stick fans, but this watercolor wallpaper, definitely give it a thumbs up if you wanted to get something like this for your house or have us install it. I recommend it. If you got other questions on peel and stick or wallpaper installations in general, you can give us a call. See Chad, meet Anthony, get us out there for hanging some paper. Hope you guys have a great day, and God bless.